Okay, hi everybody. So the world is getting crazy and hand sanitizer is apparently like gold, but everybody really needs it. So there's really a simple way you can make something at home that will suffice for this situation. I'm pretty sure everybody has that one random jar of rubbing alcohol that you've had in your medicine cabinet for like 8 years, and everybody has some kind of aloe gel, right? So these two are like kind of critical ingredients, but also essential oils. If you happen to have some on hand, whichever ones you like, it doesn't really matter which one. The purpose is just to make it smell really good and kind of moisturize your hands a little bit. So that's totally optional, but it's nice. So one thing that's going to be really important in crazy times like this is just using what you have and not going crazy and buying stuff you don't need. So I'm sure almost everyone has this, so you really don't need to panic. Okay, so you see I have my own little bottle here, and it's got 60% right in the front because basically that's all you need to know. As long as the sanitizer solution is 60% rubbing alcohol, you're good. So this is 70. You can buy higher, 99, but this will still work. You just add less aloe, so I'll show you how. So I basically am gonna do, for this one, we're gonna do 6 ounces of the rubbing alcohol. Okay, into the bowl. So that's 6 ounces. That's 3/4 of a cup. Okay, so to get your right ratio, you're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of aloe vera for every 6 ounces, or 3/4 of a cup of your 70% rubbing alcohol. Okay. Okay, and then you just want to add like literally like 2 drops of essential oil. So I like tea tree oil. And lavender. Just gonna whisk it up. You want to give it a minute to make sure you get it thoroughly combined, because it will tend to separate if you don't whisk it for a few minutes. We're gonna move it into a measuring cup just so it's easier to pour, so you don't make a big mess and waste all your expensive stuff. All right, put your lid on, give it a little shake, and there you go. You now have your coronavirus 60% hand sanitizer. One thing you can do that you can take and carry with you in your pocket, which is really handy right now, just get a little spray bottle and pour rubbing alcohol like 3/4 of the way. Just gonna do 1 little pump of the aloe. Choose an essential oil. Do a couple of drops. Pop the lid on. Give it a little shake. Now you have for home and for on the go. All right, let's check it out. Yep. It's gonna feel a little more loose than your normal hand sanitizer because of the alcohol concentration, but it will do the trick.